What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, buddy.痛い。
Got your marshmallows.
Maggie! Screw it in, and then you just have to tighten this up. Bro, can you hold the flippin' flashlight straight? Like, what the flip?
Why?
Yeah, roommate. Roommate.
Really? And then what? Oh my gosh. Oh no. That is crazy.
Hi, I'm just here to check in for my appointment. Came down, I called her, and then she just flop. Luna, you came home. You came down when I came home, huh?
Walks out the house, she walks into the street, she doesn't even look where she's going. And then BAM! She got hit by a big ass truck. What?
What does the cow say? You good boy.
Oh man, I love these grapes. Whoa, man, what are you doing? It's like my whole salary right here. I had guard dump for like 7 hours for these things. Hey, are you not listening?
Bro is so dumb. He's literally fighting his own tail. What are you doing, Garfield? What is... Garfield, you're an idiot.
Да, просто...
Один американо черный, один с молоком.
Да,
Что-то еще?
да, сигареты. Нео.
What are you doing there? What are you doing there? Hey, what's up? What are you doing there, Rocky? It's playing with the laying down.
Ayo. Hey. Right.
No, don't bring that up. No, you can't bring that. I need that. No.
No. No. No. No means no.
Wait, what's happening? Oh, buddy. Did the kids finally decide they want to be friends and now you're scared of them?
Lo que yo te digo, porque no es fácil parir un hijo. No es fácil. ¿Qué vas a hacer con tus hijos? ¿Qué le vas a dar? ¿Dónde está tu marido?
Oh God.
What is that? It's okay. It was scaring me. It's okay, Peanut. It's just a deer. It's a deer.
Primeira, segunda, terceira, quarta, quinta e ré. Aí tem acelerador, freio e embreagem. Toma.
Hey, we got the accent challenge. South West Missouri, Palm West 10. Bing! Alright, number 1, we got beanie. Number 2, we got heat. Number 3, we got it. Number 4, we got B. Number 5, we got M. Number 6, we got Chi.
Okay. Now go ah.
Can you please put me down?
Do you want to hear my impression of Dora the Explorer?
No, please, God, not again. For the love.
Hola, soy Dora.
Stop!
And you say gato?
How about a gato upon you?
Reggie, don't eat him.
Get back in the car!
I said Abigail in the window. She was in the
Стьоп, лучше не надо цього делать. Я не хочу умерти. Ай, блядь, та ну нахуй!
What are you doing? Look at that face. Look at that face. I love you, sweetie. I love you, hon. Close the door for me, please. Where's my good boy? Where's my good boy? Close the door, hon. Close the door, hon.
Come on, Butter, for the 3rd time. Is it? Oh, Arlene, get out the way. Come on, Bubbo. Come on, Bubbo. Ah!
Potty outside! Potty outside! Let's go, kids! Let's go, kids! Come on, kids! Come on, kids, let's go!
Tiffany. Deus.
We're free! Barry, we're free!
Terrence.
Last one there is a salty particle!
Terrence, I don't know what's happening right now.
Barry, it's amazing in here, buddy!
Terrence, wait! I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't know what's happening. Mom, Dad, where are we? I want to go back home, please.
Barry, do you trust me?
Yeah, of course.
Come on in! The water's fine!
Okay, Terrence.
It's the best thing, I'm telling you, Barry!
All right, Terrence, I'm coming in, buddy. Oh, woo! It's cold. It's cold. What is this?
Barry! Yeah.
Okay, Terrence, I'm almost. I'm kind of flapping along here. Oh, big waves coming. Woo!
Barry, you ever tried whale nip? No, what's that?
That's gonna be crazy.
Maple? I hate when you open the fridge. What is it? What is in there that you want? Something special in here? Would you like an apple?
See you later.
Thank you for watching. Now you can pick another possum video and enjoy it.